In this video, I'll show you how to schedule community posts on YouTube. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, to make community posts on YouTube, you need at least 500 subscribers. Your channel must also not be set for kids and your channel must be active. Now that's out of the way, I'm in the channel backend of YouTube Studio, and to make a post on YouTube that is a community post, all I need to do is just click on create and then scroll down to create post. And once I do that, I'm going to land on this particular page. If you're on the home page right here on youtube.com, then something that you can do is just click also on create and then create post. So those are the two options, lands you on the same page. So once you're here, you'll see more or less about your channel and whatnot, but of importance to us is this particular section. You can set the visibility of your post to either public or all channel members, and then you can make posts on images, image poll, text poll, quiz, video, and so on and so forth. Now, I do have some text here. I do want to post more or less schedule, and I'll just copy it, paste it right here. And once I do that, now the option to post is going to be active. But of importance to us is this particular drop down, and then click on schedule post. Once you do that, you're going to see the option to choose a date right here and time to publish. So, and also you're going to see the time. My time is GMT +3. So I'll click on this particular date. Let's say I do 25th, that is today. And then let's say I choose maybe during the day at around 11 a.m. And then once I do that, the GMT time is my local time right there, and then I'll just click on schedule. Once I do that, you're going to have the published, scheduled, and also archived. So in the scheduled tab, you'll now see the scheduled post that you just made, and when the post goes live, and everything that you need is right there. But that is how you can schedule community posts on YouTube. Super simple, and I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.